saying hi. So say hello to my fans.
Hello,
Yes.
this is Topsy. This is Topsy La Posh.
On Instagram.
On Instagram, you can look me out. I'm a caterer. I bake cakes. So if you have people who want to bake cake here in Edinburgh, you can refer us. We do surprise packages for people. We cook for people. You know, if you're too busy to cook, just contract it to us. So we're actually here as I'm trying to buy a couple's pajamas. So please, if you are my Mr. Right, can you just drag yourself to
Mr.
the right?
Right needed for
Please,
for Christmas pajamas.
Look
so
over
we're
there.
trying to shop for Christmas.
Mr.
Yeah.
Rights. Okay.
All right, Mr. Right, you can wire us your size and money and some money too. So guys, let's take you along the shopping. Beddings are here. So beddings today. Yeah. So guys, these are lovely jammers. Lovely Christmas jammers. Guys, do you know one good thing about this part of the world? Can you remember the blender I unboxed with you guys? Guys, I woke up yesterday morning. I wanted to blend pepper. To my greatest surprise, the blender stopped working. And now I came back to tell them it's not working. Do you know that these people did not even haggle? They did not even try to check. They just collected it, tracked the transaction on their distance, and I was given a gift card with the receipts. So I've picked another one, which I'm still going to unbox with you guys. And I'm right here also doing some window shopping to see if I actually need some more stuff. So let's look at our cooking sections for pots and all that. Yeah, but I've really spent this month so much shopping today. I only came to change the blender, but next week I'll still come and pick up some other things, one step at a time, like you know. So guys, this is a very big store, one of the biggest Asda store in Edinburgh. So just tag along, let's do the shopping together. Which one? So guys, your duvet, for those of you that just landed in the UK or anywhere abroad, guys, don't make the mistake I made though. So when I wanted to buy, this is shopping guard. So if you are having a single bed, so this is for summer, it's written on it 4.5. So if you are shopping for summer, this place that is written 3.5 is gonna be 4.5. That's suitable for summer. This is summer. 10.5 is all year round. The one you can use all year round. The one that is suitable for summer, winter is 10.5, and cool weather is 13.5, and 15 is winter. For your winter duvet, check the one that is written 5.5. So when you are picking that one, it comes in sizes. It comes in single size. You can see this one is king size, which is the biggest. I'm supposed to pick this king size in case I'm using a double bed, a king bed, but I picked the double. So the double did not really cover, so I'm still going to be shopping again. So it means you need to look out for all these things. These are vital informations you need to know about your duvet. So copy that, guys. Copy that, guys. Copy that. Guys, do you know how you can save some money on eating this summer? Here you go. Come to any store, shop for this hot water bottle. It's been doing magic. Put the hot water, put it on your bed, cover with duvet, and you get warm up. Till I see you again. Don't say I've not borrowed you some. This year, I have borrowed you some senses this year. I remain your girl, Daisy. Guys, do you want to know the secret why we people abroad looks fresh and fresher than you guys? Number one, our weather. Number two, what we eat. We're the freshest fruits and veggies. Shop along with me, guys. Name the pepper you want. See, just for £1.69, you buy all these ones. Can you see? If it's the big one, this is tatache. This is a big ball pepper in different colors. This is the red one, the orange one, the yellow one, the green one. There's no because of some people that cannot afford everything, they miss this one. So you have your yellow, you have your green, you have your red pepper. Everything for £1.70. And this is tomatoes as well. There's different tomatoes, baby tomatoes, and all that. So yeah, This is our shopping so far. It's so easy in the sense that if you want your salad, everything is sliced there. There's even egg inside this one. There's egg. There's everything. You can see. Name the salad that you want. Can you see this one, guys? Minced vegetables, fresh. Anything fresh, eh? Fresh. You now be saying, see, can you see? Everything is just fresh. See, guys, love of jollof rice. Do you remember this in Nigeria? It's everywhere here. And wagbado to fresh corn, sweet corn. Carrot section. Guys, can you see carrot? See mango. At this point, we saw fresh mangoes and we moved to the payment session, and that was the end of the shopping. Yeah, at this point, I took some selfies, some pictures, yeah, and that was it. And we wheeled the trolley towards the counter for payment, yeah. So we decided to use the other side because there were a lot of queues on the self-service counter, yeah. So guys, I hope you've been able to gain one or two things from this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more lovely content, and please share my videos with your loved ones. We need more family members on this channel. On this channel, remember, we'll keep it real. This is where I stopped to view some Christmas decor. I saw a lot of things, ranging from small Christmas trees, different toys, and I played with them, like I snapped with them. They were really lovely, but for now I don't really need those stuffs, so I can't be bothered, but they were really nice. I wouldn't lie, I so much love them. Yeah, look at small table Santa Claus decor. It's really nice. I wouldn't lie, I love it. Yeah, and that was it for me. So like I was saying, my channel membership is open to whoever that wants to learn one or two things from me. If you need direct information, maybe from the UK, how you can come to the UK, whatever issues you're having with your relocation process, do you want to study, do you want to work, to get first-hand information, you can subscribe to my channel. This is the payment counter, guys. So we joined the queue. At this point, we decided to drop unnecessary things that we've packed, and we made the payment. Guys, please, till I see you again in my next video, I remain your girl Daisy. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share my channel with your loved ones, introduce my channel to your friend, turn on your bell notification. Guys, when I mean subscribe, I know the word subscribe sounds somehow, but subscription is free. You don't need to pay money to subscribe to my channel. All you need to do is, once you open your YouTube app, on the right hand corner you will see subscribe. Just click on that thing, punch it, click it, tap it, and that's all. You become part of this channel. Okay, for exclusive perk, you need to join the membership, guys. Like I said, once you click on it, you will see, once you open my YouTube channel, at the right hand corner you will see join. If you click on that join or give, guys, thanks for watching. I'll be expecting you in my next video. Bye.